and welfare facilities audit is done. Accommodation audit is also done on monthly basis that we discussed. OHD study is there, recommendations are closed, construction, occupation safety are being monitored, and welfare management and OHD there. For this case, we are okay.
And health surveillance, if we want to add.
Sorry, health surveillance. Huh?
Health surveillance program is in place.
This is in which document? Can you give me the number?
Vimal?
There is only checklist we have. I can share that.
You can give me checklist. Huh?
Yeah.
Program checklist. Because the more numbers are always good, huh? Because this will help you to demonstrate yes, you have done good job during construction. Confirm the adequate accommodation and welfare. Yes, this we have seen. So for this, no major concerns. We have monthly programs also. So this I will copy and paste here also. This I will remove. Verify the adequate medical services. So you have first aid boxes and you have, Medivac. Adequate there. First aid boxes are there. First aid rooms they are available. And you have the trained first aider, right?
Trained
maleness.
hard approved maleness.
And ambulance. Sir.
That is okay. Was there any LTI? In last 3-4 months, any LTI?
Yeah, one fatality was there.
Sad, yeah. That was a road accident or how?
Yeah, it was a traffic accident.
Very sad. Anyway, review procedures for equipment flushing. This is not applicable because this is not a process equipment.
Yeah.
But we have a construction environment plan is there. No process equipment. No. Yeah. Process.